Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I need to put this one go to the left, dt will go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have all tan of y. The integration of dt, we have t. And then we put about sin here. And this is the final answer. Question number 2. We can use about complementary solution. So I need to put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda t. Now, if I do, lambda s. Now, if I do first derivative of yc, we will have about lambda e to the power of lambda s, because we do first derivative of this one, so we keep about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we do first derivative of lambda s, you got about lambda in here. And now we do second derivative. We got about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Now, I will put this one going here, and this one going here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. So we just find the solution of this one. And I will put negative 36 go to the right. And we have lambda equals to number 6 and lambda equals to negative number 6 after we put the square root for the both sides. And then we have the final answer. We have C number 1. That's about the constant number 1, e to the power of lambda s. Now lambda will change by number 6. Next, we have C number 2. E to the power of negative 6s. And this is the final answer. Now we use the same technique for the next one, but this is about the positive. So if we put the square root for the both sides, we have 6i and negative 6i. So we will have about y equals to C number 1 e to the power of 6is, and we have C number 2 e to the power of negative 6is. In this one, we can write the new one like this. That's about sine 6s plus C number 2 cosine 6s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.